Receveur here at Dental Town 2015. We're hanging out in the Bellagio, and I want to interview some people, talk a little bit about what they're finding successful or what's going on with their online marketing in 2015. And then hang on till the end of the podcast. I've got a special surprise that I'm going to announce. So stick around, here comes a few interviews. I'll see you soon.
Yeah, sure. I've got no web presence. I've got a website, doesn't rank highly at all. Nobody ever goes to the website, except unless we get them there through sending them from our office or something like that. Nobody ever actually organically finds it. So we have been looking at doing some SEO to try to get the website working, but haven't put any effort into it at all. Did some Google AdWords, that didn't work. I thought that would bump our SEO results. It did not, and was very expensive for pretty much no results at all. So.
We currently have a website. We've probably had it for about, 10 years or so. It's kind of just a basis of who we are, what we do, and it's not really to the point where I don't think a lot of people go and view our website. I feel like most of the time, and we do Facebook and some other things, but most of the time I don't think our website's really causing people to come into our office from around the area. And being a new dentist, I just graduated last year, I'm looking to get more patients and increase my patient load. So I would like, if the website was something that could bring in more patients, I would love it to do that.
One of the hardest things for us to understand as a dentist is what it really takes to develop and maintain an optimal website. And I'm one of those clinicians. I've had a website, fortunately, for 7 years, but it really isn't even present because it hasn't been optimized for searchability. It hasn't been optimized for user friendliness, meaning it's not mobile ready either. And I'm learning the hard way, which is trying to figure things out on my own. And it's been a struggle for me, and I say that with good intentions, but the reality is that dentists need to stick to what they do. And we need to find people that can help us understand how to harness the technology and really maximize it. And so one of the things that attracted me to Colin is that he has a good eye on all of the different mediums through which you can market, whether it's online presence, whether it's social media. But he's one of the first people that I've recognized that actually understands how they actually work together. Because you can have a Facebook site and you can have your own website, but if they're not communicating to each other, they're not helping each other out, then the reality is that there's two separate projects that often don't lead you to a common endpoint, which is more patients, right? So that's one of the things that attracted me to SmartBox, is that you guys do offer everything, which is important.
So you've heard from a couple doctors that aren't quite sure and aren't quite doing that well online. You've also heard from a rock star dentist that's just killing it online. Now I want to finish up tomorrow with a very special interview with the man, Howard Ferran. He's going to be on the Patient Attraction Podcast tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Make sure not to miss it.